This is Nate of the Nathan's Road in Washington blog. I'm going to do an honest video review of this Dockers belt. Now it is a leather belt. The leather belt here. And the regular price is about $26. And the style number is 17DK0101, and it's made with man-made leather, man-made. It says man-made upper genuine leather lining, made in China. Now I bought that Dockers leather belt to replace this GNW leather belt, which GNW is like a Fred Meyer store brand. Now the GNW one, it was pretty bad when I quit wearing it. You can see it's like practically split in half here, and the edges are rough here from the wear and tear on it. It's pretty, and it did a lot of this where it's the top part is separating from the other half. And here's where the holes are. You can see it really separated bad here. That's kind of separated. I can stick my finger through there, or my thumb. So it was in pretty bad shape. And I didn't have this belt that long. Maybe like, I probably only wore it maybe a year or two at most. Now the Dockers belt that I bought, it's now 2 months later, and it's held up better than that GNW belt from Fred Meyer. But this one is also starting to show the same signs. Like here by where the holes are, you can see it's starting to separate here. That the material is starting to separate the top part from the bottom part. And it's also doing it in a different spot somewhere. Looks like right here it's starting to separate here too, on this part of the belt. So it's an okay belt, but it's not a really great belt, I guess you can say. Now I have both belts here. The Dockers one is the one on the left here, right here, this one. And this is the GNW, or the one that Fred Meyer, it's like a Fred Meyer brand belt. Now on this part of the belt here, I actually preferred the GNW one over the Dockers, because the GNW one is kind of more smooth. It's more smooth along here, where the GNW one, it just feels kind of rough on the edges here. Like it hurts to, touch there. So anyways, I don't really recommend this Dockers belt. I would only buy it if, if you wanted a belt that lasts longer than a cheaper store brand. So this is Nate with the Nathan's Road in Washington blog. See you on the next review.